How to remove age restriction on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to remove the minimum age restriction on Instagram. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you're inside the profile section, just tap on the three dash icon shown at the top right corner of the screen. And now here, before showing you the process, make sure to convert your account into the professional mode first. And here, for you to do that, you can simply scroll down and tap on account types and tools. And from there, you can just tap on switch your account to a professional mode and follow the setup process if required. And now here, once you have enabled the professional account, you can simply scroll down and tap on created tools and controls. And now here in this section, you will see the option labeled as minimum age. So simply tap on it. And now here, if a minimum is set like 18, then you can just tap on it and remove it next to the default option, and after that you can just press on done to save changes. And that's it. That's how you can remove the minimum age restriction on Instagram. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.